Yeah, buddy. Kadena, Starcoin, Litecoin, I mean CKB, Nervos, Dogecoin, to the moon.
I just built me a Goldshell ST5.
Do I like Starcoin? Do I believe in the Starcoin project? Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna be giving away one free ASIC miner for Starcoin. And it's gonna be on this channel. I'm teaming up with someone. I'm gonna put it all together and show you what's happening here in the coming week. And it's gonna be a pretty cool giveaway. I'm gonna give away Starcoin mining power, all kinds of stuff. I'll show you my little setup in here at some point and show you about Starcoin, what I think, and I'm all in on the mining. I have basically built my own ST5. Got the SH5, I got the CK5, got the KD5. Now, I got an ST5. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. This video is about Starcoin and how cool Starcoin is. I like Starcoin. I do a lot of mining, and I mine Kadena, I mine Nervos, I mine Litecoin, Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum, CK5, Handshake. I mine all kinds of stuff. My favorite right now, not in terms of profitability, Kadena has kind of taken the crown jewel of that for everybody, but it's Starcoin. And it's not a well-known blockchain. When you get into it, though, I'm going to show you in this video some of the stuff about them. It's a pretty deep dive, man. I can't tell you about this stuff the kind of way that it should be explained. I can just show you what's out there. They just got on CoinGecko. They just got on CoinMarketCap. I like it because it's a small cap. And small cap for investing, that's one thing. Small cap for mining, that's a whole different animal. And everybody buying the SHIB and all the little meme coins, Tiger King and all this stuff. The functionality and where it all goes, who knows? They could become, it's not like you can't become a millionaire off that stuff. Everything pumps. And those coins have huge communities. Starcoin does not have a huge community. They have got an actual product that's scalable and works. And they got an awesome product. And when you look through the stuff here, I'm just showing you a lot of it. Their website's amazing. I don't think there's a deeper website out there that shows you more about a blockchain than Starcoin STC's website. I'll put some links in the down below. I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and the giveaway is going to have 8 levels. I'm teaming up with a pool, and I can't say much about all the prizes yet. There's going to be a Starcoin miner that's given away, though. I'm going to be giving away Starcoin hashing power right to your account. There's going to be lots of cool giveaways in this giveaway of 8 giveaways. I'm just not starting it off as early as I wanted to because Christmas is here and everybody's doing a giveaway. So I'm kind of going to wait until it all filters off a bit or something. But it's happening this month, probably right before Christmas. So check this video out. It's just about Starcoin and what I think about it. And I'm showing you my ST5 miner. So that's that. Check it out. Here we go. On exchanges, they are on Gate.io. And another one, maybe CoinX or something. I like Gate.io better. I like the bigger exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, you know, the more trusted, if you will, KuCoin.
And like I say, all kinds of different Starcoin to the moon. All kinds of different cars, different old classics. Look how well the bag came off that. Looking great. So we do stuff around here other than crypto, and we do stuff around here other than cars. So if you're looking for cars, just watch the videos about cars. If you're looking for crypto, watch those. If you don't like the other ones, don't watch them. Here we go inside. Do I like Starcoin? Do I believe in the Starcoin project? Yeah, I think so. And got GPU stuff filling up over there, coming in this week. Doing GPU stuff here and Starcoin. I'm building my own ST5. Got a KD5, I got a CK5, I got an HS5 on the way. Might as well have an ST5. Is it really an ST5? Pretty much. Every 11.5 Kadena miners or CK miners make a CK5 every 11.5 boxes. And I got 11 here and 5 on the way. Man, we are an ST box is what we are. I mean, ST5. Jeez, I can't keep them straight. Mining everywhere. So yes, I do believe in the Starcoin project. 11 of them. Kind of puts that money on it. 5 more on the way. I'm mining.
When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies and such, there's lots of different things you can invest in, different levels of depth. Kadena is a just pretty deep project. Bitcoin is just the gold of the world or whatever. Stocks are stocks, whatever. But coming into these blockchains, Starcoin, Starcoin is pretty interesting. I mine Kadena. I mine CKB Nervos. Starcoin has more information on their website. When you go there, I mean, you owe it to yourself to read the white papers for sure, but they have a tech and an economy white paper. Plus, Starcoin and Move, if you click on that, it goes to this paper that is, it just explains so much. It's so deep. There's no way that I could explain this to you. I'm just not that deep of a person on explaining blockchain technology. Price kind of disappointing lately, and it's a very, very, very low cap, low value company. Fully diluted market cap 304. Really? Market cap 25 million. And there is a warning on that. Has not verified the project's market cap. Once they start verifying some of this stuff, they just got on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And used to before that, I would always keep track of them on Live Coin Watch and others. They are on Gate.io to buy. And they do have a YouTube channel that has a lot of information and just little things like they haven't updated their logo here, and their new logo is way cooler. It's like, I don't know. Their Twitter, if you go to CoinGecko, is usually the best way to get all the information on a coin like this. Go to CoinGecko, click on Starcoin. You can read their Medium, but they even have a ST scan, blockchain explorer. They got their own wallet. They got the, how do you get the wallet? Hang on. StarMask, Chrome wallet. I mean, they got everything built into this project, and it is deep. Let me tell you, once you start reading through this here, it's pretty amazing. It's a layer 1, layer 2 project, and it's built on Move, which is what was Facebook's Libra token or what have you. And yeah, you owe it to yourself to read through some of this stuff. Check it out. This is pretty boring, just some dude telling you about a coin, but STC Starcoin could be pretty big, and I've invested a lot in the mining of it to get in on this. I like this project a lot. See, look at that logo. Nice. And that background, let's put that on over here on the channel, guys. That look way better. You got a way better looking Twitter than my Twitter. I'd like to see your YouTube looking good. They got almost 10,000 followers. It'd be nice to get this up to 10,000 for sure. DXPOOL supports the mining of Starcoin. So if you're mining, DXPOOL is the way to go. There's links down below for my referral link for DXPOOL. If you're buying these miners, Goldshell, I love buying from Goldshell for sure. But check out Starcoin blockchain. Not much more I can tell you about it except for look at all these tabs. It's just amazing how much stuff. And when you go into this, you better be ready to delve deep into something, because they have all this stuff over here, and you can go through. I'm not kidding. This stuff is so deep. It's so. Look at how much information. Just the amount of information they have up. I don't know of any other product, any other coin, blockchain technology project, whatever you want to call it, that has so much stuff. Look at the Oracle guide. Oh my God. It's just on and on and on and on. They've got all this stuff. Check out Starcoin. It's awesome. I'm not going to rant about it no more. I just made this video to show you the ST5 and all that, and enjoy your Starcoin. I hope you read the white paper and check it out.